Hey Seawolves, I'm Dr. Brandon Briggs, professor in the Department of Biological Sciences, inviting you to STEM Day at UAA. Join us Saturday, November 1st from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the ConocoPhillips Integrated Science Building and the Engineering and Industry Building on our Anchorage campus for a full day of hands-on experiments, mind-blowing demos, and peer discovery.
Whether you're curious about robots, rockets, or real-world research, at STEM Day you'll get to try out interactive activities, meet UAA students and faculty, tour our state-of-the-art labs and research spaces, and hopefully spark your next big idea.
Every year, more than 1,000 kids, teens, and their families join the adventure, and this year's STEM Day is shaping up to be our best one yet.
So come be curious, get inspired, and spend the day exploring.
See you at UAA for a STEM-tacular day.